What's up, guys? This is Angela Bay with Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. And for those of you who don't know, I have been an English teacher for the past 20 years, and I am so excited to be here to be able to help everyone with their English language learning goals. Each week, you can ask me a question about anything you want on the English language, like what is a conjunction and how in the world do you say onomatopoeia? It took me a long time to get that one. So, without further ado, let's get started. Question of the week. Profe Angela, how do you use would, could, will, and can correctly in a sentence? Thank you, Derek Liam, Nigeria, West Africa. Great question, Derek. Let's start with would and could. Would and could are auxiliary verbs that can be defined as past tenses of will and can. The words would and could are used to talk about possible events or situations. However, each one tells us something different. Would is used to talk about a possible or imagined situation and is often used when the possible situation is not going to happen. For example, his father hopes that Daniel would grow up to be a wise and famous man. And on the other hand, could is used to say that an action or event is possible. For example, if anyone could make her happy, they could. And now for can and will. The word can is a modal auxiliary verb. We use can to talk about possibilities and abilities, make requests, and ask or give permission. For example, showing possibility, we can go to Florida in June during summer break. Making a request, can you watch the house for me while I'm gone? Asking and giving permission. Can I use one of your pens, please, to fill out my form? However, the auxiliary verb will is primarily used in future tense, telling things that will happen in the future. For example, they will take the bus to the south next week.
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Make sentences using the auxiliary verbs would, could, can, and will. Now remember, would and could can be defined as past tenses of will and can. In addition, can is used as showing ability, making a request, or asking permission. And will is used to express something that is going to happen in the future. And if you need help, choose one of the tips in this video and practice. Thank you, Liam, for that great question about the auxiliary verbs would, could, can, and will. I know it can be very difficult using these auxiliary verbs in sentences, but once you get the practice, your sentences will be on point.
And good luck, you guys, on this week's sentence challenge. And remember, if you need help, you can type your questions in the comment box below, and I will give you a quick reply. So that's it, guys, on this week of Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. And remember, if you are my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. All right, guys, I hope you have an awesome and amazing rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. Ciao!